Test preparation. Civil engineering test. Subject: Highways engineering. Type: multiple choice questions. Part 1. Question number 1. Roadway width for a national highways and state highways, 2 lanes, is option A, 12 meters. Option B, 9 meters. Option C, 9.5 meters. Option D, 15 meters. Answer is option A, 12 meters. Question number 2. Maximum number of vehicles can be parked with. Option A, parallel parking. Option B, 30-degree angle parking. Option C, 45-degree angle parking. Option D, 90-degree angle parking. Answer is option D, 90-degree angle parking. Question number 3. Length of vehicles does not affect. Option A, extra widening. Option B, minimum radius of turning. Option C, passing sight distance. Option D, width of shoulders. Answer is option D, width of shoulders. Question number 4. The maximum thickness of expansion joint in rigid pavements is. Option A, 0. Option B, 25 mm. Option C, 50 mm. Option D, 100 mm. Answer is option B, 25 mm. Question number 5. The type of curves generally provided on highways is. Option A, critical curve. Option B, transition curve. Option C, vertical curve. Option D, all the above. Answer is option D, all the above. Question number 6. The thickness of bituminous carpet varies from. Option A, 20 to 25 mm. Option B, 50 to 75 mm. Option C, 75 to 100 mm. Option D, 100 to 120 mm. Answer is option A, 20 to 25 mm. Question number 7. The suitable surfacing material for a bridge deck slab is. Option A, sheet asphalt. Option B, bituminous carpet. Option C, mastic asphalt. Option D, rolled asphalt. Answer is option C, mastic asphalt. Question number 8. In CBR test, the value of CBR is calculated at. Option A, 2.5 mm penetration only. Option B, 5.0 mm penetration only. Option C, 7.5 mm penetration only. Option D, both 2.5 mm and 5.0 mm penetrations. Answer is option D, both 2.5 mm and 5.0 mm penetrations. Question number 9. Bottommost layer of pavement is known as. Option A, wearing course. Option B, base course. Option C, sub-base course. Option D, subgrade. Answer is option D, subgrade. Question number 10. Ruling gradient on hill roads 300 meters above MSL is kept. Option A, 4%. Option B, 5%. Option C, 7%. Option D, 8%. Answer is option B, 5%. Question number 11. The minimum value of camber provided for thin bituminous surface hill roads is. Option A, 2.2%. Option B, 2.5%. Option C, 3.0%. Option D, 3.5%. Answer is option B, 2.5%. Question number 12. The minimum design speed for hairpin bends in hill roads is taken as. Option A, 20 km per hour. Option B, 30 km per hour. Option C, 40 km per hour. Option D, 50 km per hour. Answer is option A, 20 km per hour. Question number 13. The maximum allowable Los Angeles abrasion value for high-quality surface courses. Option A, 10%. Option B, 20%. Option C, 30%. Option D, 45%. Answer is option C, 30%. Question number 14. According to Highway Research Board of USA, practical land width is option A, 2.7 meters. Option B, 3.0 meters. Option C, 3.3 meters. Option D, 3.6 meters. Answer is option D, 3.6 meters. Question number 15. Bitumen of grade 80/100 means. Option A, its penetration value is 8 millimeters. Option B, its penetration value is 10 millimeters. Option C, its penetration value is 8 to 10 millimeters. Option D, its penetration value is 8 to 10 centimeters. Answer is option C. Its penetration value is 8 to 10 millimeters. Question number 16. Super elevation on roads in snow-bound areas should generally not exceed. Option A, 15%. Option B, 12%. Option C, 10%. Option D, 7%. Answer is option D, 7%. Question number 17. The first stage of deciding the alignment of a hill road is. Option A, reconnaissance. Option B, detailed survey. Option C, traceout. Option D, preliminary survey. Answer is option A, reconnaissance. Question number 18. An ideal pavement is constructed with. Option A, bricks. Option B, hard soil. Option C, Portland cement concrete. Option D, tar. Answer is option C, Portland cement concrete. Question number 19. For a comfortable travel on highways, the centrifugal ratio should not exceed. Option A, 0.10. Option B, 0.15. Option C, 0.20. Option D, 0.25. Answer is option D, 0.25. Question number 20. Design of flexible pavement involves. Option A, wheel loads. Option B, intensity of traffic. Option C, climate of the region. Option D, subgrade conditions. Answer is option C, climate of the region. Thanks for watching video.